Hey everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and here is a very fun dragonfly bookmark idea, which somebody sent to me from, and it's from Posies and Pages from Instagram. I thought it was just the coolest, fun idea. So basically, this is the bookmark. It's very easy to make. Anybody can make this. And it's just kind of a cool concept. You could also switch out the dragon's wings for butterfly wings, or not dragonfly wings. These are dragon wings. You could switch them out for dragonfly wings or butterfly wings or fairy wings, any kind of wings that you like. Petal design, whatever you like. But I thought this was kind of cool. So what we did, this is the prototype, very simple. And I used something a little bit thicker than regular paper. I used 110-pound weight cardstock, but you could use, you could double up on paper and just make your paper thicker, or put a little piece of cardboard backing on some pretty paper that you have. She used watercolor, and she used watercolor paper, which was really cool, and I thought I would use distress inks just for a little bit of a variety. And okay, so what we did here, folded it up from the bottom. Okay, and I think I made mine a little taller than her. So she actually, okay, I'm just going to show it the way I did it. I did some changes to it. So I folded it like this, just like a book, okay, and creased it here. And then I thought, okay, my average journal is 9x6, so I'm just going to make it so it would fit in there. Nothing too heavy or complicated, just something fun. And oh, I don't know, about maybe 2 or 3 inches wide. Maybe I want 2 inches wide on this baby. And I'm just going to draw a line here for a guide. Okay, and so maybe I want it to, my bookmark to come up to about here. Can we see? Yes. And then I'm going to draw my wing design up above there. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, so now we're just going to make some simple cuts, and I'll cut these with a craft knife because I'm here, but I did cut this on my guillotine cutter. So where the folded part is, I'm just going to cut that right off. That's going to get rid of the attachment there. Okay, did I cut straight? Probably not. That's the way it goes sometimes. Okay, let's try that. Oh, I have these super readers on, and I can't see more than 3 inches in front of my face. All right, there we go. And then I'm going to cut this side. And I'm not really too worried about monkeying it up with the ink that I have on my fingers because I'm going to be inking this up. Okay, hope everybody's doing well. Hoping you're doing dandy today. Everything is dandy here at the Paper Outpost. Okay, retracting that. Gonna grab a couple paper clips just to keep everything. So basically I have 2 pieces of paper. One has nothing and one has the drawing on it. And I'm going to paper clip this together so I can do some fussy cutting. All right, now I'm gonna put on my readers to do this. All right, so you want to keep a base connected of the wing to your bookmark. I just see that shape. Yeah, okay. It's going to go actually a little more like this. I'm not the best dragon wing drawer out there, but a loose dragon wing is good. And it's just going to come out looking good no matter what. It's just because of all the colors and that kind of thing, the way we're going to decorate, it's going to look cool. So don't get too worried about the artwork and making it perfect. Just make a general wing shape. You could do a bat wing. And this is dragon wing. Okay. I'll just cut this little part out here. Sometimes I love fussy cutting and sometimes I don't love fussy cutting. Today it's okay, actually. All right, as long as it's not too intense, and this isn't too intense. All right, so that's pretty much it with the cutting. And so we already have the basic situation here. Now we're just going to glue together. I just used glue stick, the two separate pieces. They should be mirror images of each other. Just don't glue the wings, just the bottom bookmark part. Make sure you pick up little weird pieces from your desk. Make sure you throw everything around, and then somehow you're going to bring it all back together and put them together as if they are one now. And I'm using Scotch Create glue stick if you can still find it. But there I'm sure are some other glue sticks out there that are wonderful as well. Just haven't discovered any. Okay, I'm just going to round these corners a little bit because I thought that might look more like a bookmark. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and colorize this. And just be mindful you don't put too much wear and tear on this fold here because that's got to keep the wings attached. So I started with some blue and I used a broken china blue distress ink. And I just put a little water spritz on it. And I just did, you got to kind of remember that there are 4 sides to your wings, the insides and the outsides. And it's okay to go very random and hodgepodge. This isn't so much about neatness or anything. You can even draw on the lower side of this. It's okay because we're going to be blending colors together. Next, I grabbed some green and I happened to use peeled paint. Okay, and I have already squirted these once, so I don't need to squirt too much. Oh, I meant to do the whole thing. Retreat, retreat. Okay, here, and we're gonna like go just swirly whirlies, however you want to get that ink on there, just get it on there. Don't cover the whole thing because we're going to use multiple colors, but maybe just like a zigzaggy kind of design. Okay, make sure we got all our 4 sides. Yes. Now we're going to come in with the peeled paint, green, and gently up here because this is not attached, only by a little bit, so you want to be gentle on that. Just random spots, maybe not connected. Okay, here, here. Some random spots, maybe not connected. And we have to remember inside the dragon wings, because that's what's going to show when it opens up. And inside the dragon wings, you can push hard, go soft, it's all right. All right, there we go. Okay, so now we have those 2 colors. Now we're going to switch over to brown to give it a little depth and age. And this is going to be a fascinating case of a famous color we all know and love. A vintage photo distress oxide. Just happened to be the one I grabbed. And it'll give good color yield with a little spritz if yours are drying like mine are, because they've been around the block. Okay, I'm going to go around the edges. And I'm going to do them rather heavily because I like that deep, dark, rich edging look for something that's supposed to look old and medieval and gothic, that type of thing. Okay. So this is a fun thing you can add to any junk journal, an extra little gift for a person. They can use it in this journal. They can use it in any other book they have. It's kind of fun. You could even Mod Podge this whole thing at the end, make it a little bit stiffer and a little bit stronger. It's another nice fun thing that you can do. But you get the little center crease, that'll make it look cool too. And okay, we got all those sides. Got this side. Did I get? No, not yet. Okay, even those little pencil lines are just disappearing in here because I'm doing all this heavy inking. Okay, so we have that so far. Now it's still a little bit bright, so I want to tone it down even more, so I'm going to use a little bit of black. I hope that's the black. I think I still have it wet. That is, you're wondering? Can't read that? It says black soot. Okay. And this is going to bring it into a more gothic-y, darkish look. Okay. And just going around these edges, giving a little darkness. And you can do some blacky swirls across here too, that's fine. knocking it down a little bit. I think I might do that with the brown as well. Just some black hazing here on the wings. Okay, some good aging. And a little more aging. 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 And a little more aging. All this aging is going on. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think I'm going to come back in with a little bit of the brown in the central areas just to knock it back down even that much more. And it gives you this really kind of pretty, I don't know, just lovely look to it. I just think it's just gorgeous when you knock it back with the browns and the blacks. Just really ages it up so nicely. And you can keep them as bright and colorful or as dark and gothic-y as you want. And then I came in, I was playing with this stuff. It's a gilding wax or a gilding paste. This particular art company, Artsy, doesn't make it anymore, I don't think, but you can get this brand, which does. Pentat Art Antique Paint Paste. Bronze, you can get in all different colors. And you can just put like little random rubbings on this here, so here and there. It doesn't really matter. Just like wherever you want to put it, you can do the edges if you want. I'm just going to put it right. I've still got some on my desk here, so I'm going to try and use this up a little bit. Okay. I even got some from whence I was playing before. All right. A little more in here. Right on the finger. Okay. And then on the inside, just a little bit here and there. And it'll move with the heat of your finger. Like I said, you can do the edges or you can do the actual wings. And then for another little tip, so I've got lots of this on my finger. I'm going to take, where is it? I think I'm actually going to take a pen. I think I might write better on here. I was using a marker before. I'm going to use a pen this time. And this is what really makes it look like a dragon wing. Okay. Okay, so basically this has like a point. And we're going to draw it to these points. I think I shorted myself one of these. I do, but then I'm going to add a visual one here. There, that's usually 3 make it look like a dragon wing. So from there's like a point here. I'm going to do these arcs to the point. There we go. And you can do them on the undersides too. Arc, arc, and arc. See how it looks more dragon wingy? One more. And we're going to go arc, arc. I'm going to do this top one. Arc. Okay. So there we go. We have our dragon wings, which are looking pretty cool. And I did stamp the word... No, it's not a stamp. I can't see anything because I have my glasses on again. I can't see when I have my glasses on or when I don't have my glasses on. How did that happen? Oh, here it is. The rubber stamp that says Imagine on it. So this time I think... this one I stamped in brown. But this one I think I'm going to stamp in black just so you can see the difference. I think that's black. Okay. Now because that's on a waxy surface, you would want to let that dry. Okay, which I will not do. But I'm just going to stamp, stamp, stamp. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, so now we have our, let me back up a little bit. Yeah. New dragon wing bookmark. So if you want to put it in here, it's probably going to get on this page. That's all right. There we go. Kind of cool, huh? Yeah. So if you want, you can make a fun little bookmark like that. See how much ink I got on there. Nothing. Amazing. That's right. So we made 2 of these. different colors, different similar colors, but you can see how they turn out different depending on what you emphasize more, the black, more the brown. And let me see if I can find little Mr. Snufflepants. Hold on. He's here somewhere. Okay, let me turn the light off. I know. Okay.
Hello everybody, it's Sunshine Pup, Cub Reporter here reporting to you with great news of dismay. Yes, Sunshine has been formally informed there will be a groomer trip next Tuesday for Sunshine, followed by a vaccine trip and dental exam at the you-know-what, the VET, the following week. Not happy? Don't really know what it means, but not happy. Nobody said the word chicken. There was no chicken mentioned. There's just Sunshine going to the groomer and the vet, and Sunshine is not happy. I will work on my level of acceptance, and I will keep reporting to you from the paper outpost. Happy crafting, everybody. Craft on. I hope you don't have to go to the groomer or the vet. Mwah. Sunshine, out.
Okay, there's a lot of moaning going on around here, but wellness checks are very important here. And okay, so there might be chicken involved in some of this after he gets home. Who are we kidding? But anyway, I want to thank you very much, Posies and Pages, for I believe her name is Ophelia Wild, the fairy. Great idea, very pretty, and we are taking your idea and enjoying it as well. So thank you for sharing with the world. I hope everybody is well. I have a free monthly emailed newsletter that comes out once a month. If you don't have access to the drop-down description box below, here's my master link to all my links. You can also find my videos Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts are available Tuesdays and Thursdays, new audio material and video podcasts posted at other days of the week on Spotify. And I have an Etsy shop where you can find journals and bundles and kits and fundles. I also sell Digikits, which are printable downloadable images. Once you purchase them, you can print them out as many times as you like. They're always saved on your Etsy account if you use your Etsy account to purchase them. I highly recommend that. Very easy to find. And also, if you don't want to print yourself or you don't have a printer, I will print them out for you. It's called my print and mail option. All you do is buy the print and mail option and then send me through Etsy message the names of 10 Digikits. That'll get you 50 printed pages, nice lightweight cardstock. Each kit has 5 pages of unique images of birds, Victorian, dragonflies, butterflies, over 280 to pick from. And that also gets free priority mail shipping. I also sell FUNDLEs, which are collections of old and interesting papers. And you can, like antique ledger, checks, receipts, postcards, black and white photos, tea cards, antique and ledger and vintage book pages, music pages, dictionary pages, all sorts of fun pages to use in your junk journals, 100 plus pieces, and free priority mail shipping with that. And also, I have an Amazon shop. If you're looking for favorite tools and supplies, you can get those at the Paper Outpost. No, wrong color. And I do my best to put the links in there for you. It does help my shop, but you don't pay more for the items for using my links. So thank you very much for your support. And I have a merchandise shop if you like the phrase, everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise, or create with reckless abandon. Hey, you can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zip hoodie, a mug tote, or a water bottle. And remember, most of all, fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.